today, Saturday night, I will introduce about top 10 facts of rivers.
Top 10. Amur River. It is located in Russia. Length of Amur River, 1,755 miles. Top 9. Ob-Irtysh River. It is located in Russia. Length of Ob-Irtysh River, 2,300 miles. Top 8. Mackenzie River. It is located in Canada. Length of Mackenzie River, 2,635 miles. Top 7. Lena River. It is located in Russia. Length of Lena River, 2,668 miles. Top 6. Congo River. It is located in Africa. Length of Congo River, 2,920 miles. Top 5. Mekong River. It is located in China. Length of Mekong River, 3,050 miles. Top 4. Yellow River or Huanghe River. It is located in China. Length of Yellow River, 3,395 miles. Top 3. Yangtze River. It is also located in China. Length of Yangtze River, 3,900 miles. Top 2. Amazon River. It is located in Brazil. Length of Amazon River, 4,000 miles. Top 1. Nile River. It is located in Africa. Length of Nile River, 4,130 miles.
That is all for today. Every Saturday I will try to upload amazing facts. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe.